Bad Reputation by David Whyte. My name is Wolf, and I've been given a bad name. I hope that when I am finished speaking to you today, you will see my side of the story. First off, Little Red Riding Hood and her grandmother are alive and well. In fact, they're living in Australia right now. They said they couldn't stand the cold and wanted to live in warmer climate. They also complained they were tired of sneezing. They had developed severe allergies from all those leaves. Why they stayed in the forest for so long, I don't know, but they have a nice little hut in the outback now. They love it. Not a tree for miles. Secondly, that girl was a spoiled child. Her grandmother gave her everything she wanted. Sure, she was bringing food to dear old Granny, but what did Little Miss Riding Hood expect in return? I'll tell you. She wanted a new set of clothes. She was tired of the red outfit. When I chatted with her in the woods that day, she admitted that she hoped her grandmother would have a nice, new, green outfit all ready for her. The last time she visited, she bought a few small cakes and left with a big, shiny bracelet. She does nothing just because. Third, let's get another thing straight. I'm not exactly big. I'm not even 4 feet tall. People just say that I'm big because they think that I was a bully to an innocent girl. I'm just an ordinary animal trying to get by on what nature allows me. I don't eat people. I don't wear women's clothing. I don't even talk to people that often. Let me pause here. Does anyone have any questions? Yes, I know it looks like I did all those terrible things, but that's because you're reading that from a book, aren't you? And who published that book? It wasn't Wolves and Coyotes Press, now was it? You people are all alike. You always take the human's point of view. All I ask is that you compare what you've been told all these years with what I've said today. Make up your own minds. After all, those stories say I'm dead, but I'm here talking to you now. Isn't that enough to make you start to doubt?